Hello, my amazing learners. It occurred to me recently that I did not actually show some of you how to access certain spelling resources. Now, when you go onto the Gleaner website, some of these resources might not be obvious to you. So I'm just going to drop this quick little video to show you a few things. Now, the Spelling Bee book, the last revision was in 2015, and they promised to revise it again for 2020. But we know what happened in 2020, and everything has basically changed since then. So now the book will look similar to this, but we're still waiting on the Gleaner company to get that completed and to put it on the market so that you guys can study. But until then, let me just show you the DIG Jamaica website, Dig Jamaica website. And of course, I will post all of these links in the description box below. When you go to the digjamaica.com website, you can search for the Spelling Bee book and you will find it right there. All right, now the first thing you might see is really the competition, but when you go into resources, they kind of buried the information here. So that's why I'm going to give you guys the exact link. Because when the information is buried like that, children, it makes it harder for you or your parents or anybody that is coaching you in regards to spelling or spelling bee competitions. So all of this is hosted on the Gleaner website, this specific one. And when you click on the direct link that I will give you, you will see this. All right, and it will open in magazine format from page to page that you can flip to. So you will see the table of contents for the first round of the competition, which you know includes the easy words. And then, of course, intermediate and so on. So you can go from page to page, scroll down, scroll up. You'll see the word, pronunciation guide, part of speech, meanings, and the word used in a sentence. So it's right there for you, children. Every single page of the book. You don't have to wait until it is revised and reprinted and placed on the market for you to buy at Sangsters or wherever. You can start practicing your words right here from the website. Now, if you can't get somebody to help you, you can use Google to help you pronounce the words so that you can hear them and you can practice pronouncing them. This is what you do. In the Google search bar here, you type pronounce and you type the word. So for example, abdomen. You're not sure how to pronounce abdomen. Here is the guide. You click on the little speaker icon here.
Abdomen.
And you will hear the word. You can even practice. You click on the little microphone, it will record you as you say the word and match it to the original pronunciation of the word, and then it will compare and let you know if you're close to that pronunciation, if you're pronouncing it correct, basically. Now let's do one more example. Let's type a word like visible. You're telling Google that you want to know how to pronounce visible, so you type it in there. You click on the little speaker icon and you will hear the word.
Visible.
Okay, so that's it. I wanted this video to be extra short, to the point. Again, the links are in the description box below. If you have any comments, any questions, of course, you can type it in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this and it was helpful to you. I will see you in the next video.